how it's recording. That's from retarded ass circle.
That's pretty.
Now we got a Chrome TV. Now it's pretty.
Yeah.
Alright, ready to shoot it?
Yeah. But we don't have a boat now.
No, we got a boat.
Alright.
Get the boat camera. That boat's in perfect shape.
Use the force.
If y'all had seen from the last video, even though Cameron didn't get it on, we actually blew the fucker up.
Drop it in that spot. Don't drop it. You're gonna bust a hole in the boat. now you gotta flip it around. So
I do believe it's kind of impossible to bust a hole in this boat.
Alright, so how are we gonna shoot this? Cause
you shoot it with a gun. That's how.
oh. Smart guy, huh?
My pretty close to look at it. Looks like a boob.
It does look like a titty.
Where you going, Cody?
Where you going with my drink?
I put my lips all over that. You like that? You know where my lips been?
Bring me back my drink.
Let's plug back in the shore.
Which angle are we shooting this from?
The same angle the TV's facing.
It's not a TV, it's a camera.
No, the TV is facing towards the camera.
Well, that works.
What's wrong with my aim?
It's probably garbage, like his drawing.
Camera. You can't be talking about it. I ain't know.
Boat
I
ain't got
seen
nothing for
you
me to
shoot a
push
gun.
off with.
What?
The boat's too soft to push.
Of course you've never seen me shoot a gun. You weren't out here when we blew up the boat, that's why.
Almost got it. Alright, come on.
Yeah, let's hurry up. It's starting to rain.
I want to shoot with the airsoft gun first.
Hurry up.
Automatic.
You ready to go?
Yeah, should be just aim and shoot. Are you shooting left-handed?
It's got no ammo in it.
Yeah, it does.
I got hit.
Alright.
I see some black spots on it.
Yeah, I see some too.
Alright.
I think you missed. You only have one bullet in it? Only one bullet, really? I think you did.
Oh my God. Cody, how do you miss such a big target?
I didn't. I mean, I put it right in the middle of the circle.
You only brought one bullet. What the fuck?
Come on, there's no way how did...
Cody, I think you missed.
How did I miss?
You're a horrible shot. Check it.
Alright, we might as well just shoot it with a 20 gauge. Yeah.
I think you shot there where all that grass is like up against its ass.
Alright, yeah, push it a little bit further away. I shoot it with the 20 gauge. Yeah.
Maybe I should shoot it. Yeah, I think you should.
Alright, well, I'll shoot it. It's got 3 bullets.
We'll all shoot it.
Yeah.
You get the last shot then.
Yeah, I do get the last
What
shot.
kind of shot does it got in? Bird shot?
It's got 2 bug. I think it's got 2 buckshot and a slug in it.
I get the slug.
think it's done.
Alright.
Just shoot the top off it. Try blowing the top off it.
You want to shoot or?
I never shot a shotgun, so
Oh shit, run!
Alright. Just don't pull the chair. Oh, oh no, put it up against your shoulder, man.
Point the gun that way.
Don't hold it like that. Put it right here. Put it up against here.
Hold it. The higher you hold it, the less it's gonna kick you.
Yeah.
Do like that, and look down the side until you see that bead, and then put the bead.
Push it against your shoulder as tight as you can so it doesn't kick.